What is up, y'all? I'm back with a video, and today I'm doing my eyebrows. Just my eyebrow routine that I recently started doing. Yeah, I'm doing my eyebrows today, my eyebrow routine, and later on in another video you're gonna get a makeup tutorial. Well, not a tutorial, just me playing in my makeup for real. I want to do a makeup look inspired by my t-shirt. Look at that. M-Tiva. What's this? Red, yellow, green, and blue. You might see me in this shirt again because I'm gonna do, well, another video, because I'm gonna do a review on my hair. This is the Kalai hair, the one that Damo is raving about. This girl, literally every video is sponsored by Kalai hair, girl. So I'm like, let me see what you talking about. And y'all just have to stay tuned for what I think about this hair. I put a lot of product on this side versus this side. Yeah, all of those video links will be down below. Oh, bye. So y'all, I'm bugging. This is my first video. Hey babe, what you think I'm about to say?
I don't know.
First video since I've been 21. Well, I got a vlog that's coming. It's just, I edit it on my phone. I vlog on my phone. And I vlog on my phone, and it's not a lot of space on there. So I gotta delete some stuff, and I'm procrastinating because that's what I do. I'm a procrastinator. I'm sorry. Live with it. Deal with it. Suck my ass. Subscribe to my channel, you guys, because like I said, all those videos will be linked down below. Like, I'm dropping them back to back. Maybe I might just upload them at the same time and just stay here. I'm lying. But yeah, let's get into this little eyebrow routine real quick. So we're gonna get into these brows, y'all. Oh, see my BEaUty. Sorry. Right. Oh, y'all, can y'all see this? I don't know, y'all see it. That bitch look nasty. I think it's a hair bump though, because my eyebrows go all the way down there. And I got them waxed for the first time in like 8 months. So, yep. I need them done again. I tried to pluck them, but brush the brows the direction you want. Well, I do. I don't know what the fuck y'all do. That's what the fuck I do.
Okay? You can't be cussing.
Alright. My boyfriend said stop cussing, so I'm gonna stop cussing, y'all. Alright. Y'all see my tail is like booty as fuck. And I told her, like, can you cut my shit off? My bad. I'm like, can you cut it and make it straight? She like, no. I'm like, okay. That's fine, because I don't want you to mess up my eyebrows anyway. But I personally like to shave that off.
She said no.
Yeah, in a way. She didn't just say no. So I kind of try to brush them to go straight. You see how I, instead of bringing it up for the arch, brush it straight. So it just feels really dry right here, so I'm going to put some primer on really quick. And the primer I've been using,
My birthday was what?
hey, happy birthday, babe. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. I actually never even seen this. I got it off Amazon, so yeah, better be real. I feel like it would have been though. I think it was sold from Maybelline. I don't remember. Oh, that feels so much better. I knew she was up.
She about to come down looking ugly, trying to get hugs. Like, girl, get out of here with that, bro.
What's up, gang gang?
Shorty said, what's up, gang gang? They can't see you. You can probably try to jump up here, but Oh, they can probably see you from back there.
Sup.
Yeah.
Sup.
She's gonna say what's up, so cool, gang. Lame. Lame.
They went to the M&M store like,
They in Vegas?
Yeah, they live in Las Vegas.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to go with y'all so bad.
So for the brows, I am using the Kiss New York Professional Top Brow Fine Professional Brow Pencil in the color dark brown, deep dark brown. I'm just going to line the brow, right? Well, this is how I did it over my trip. This is not how I like do my brows on the norm. I like a pomade, to be honest with you, because I like a fleeky ass brow, but I can get my shit. I feel like I cuss a lot, y'all, so I do apologize. I'm really trying to work on that, but that's gonna look really bad when I start taking pictures. Maybe I can make it look a little molimo, but I feel like, I don't know. We're gonna try, but just a fine, perfect time to want to record an eyebrow tutorial. But it is what it is. I gotta do it when I got the motivation, or it's not gonna get done. Sorry to say, it's the truth. I'm lazy, and I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. That's just what I always been, always done. So when I got the motivation to do something, I try to do it. But yeah, like I said, y'all, I'm just gonna outline the brow before I really get to filling it in. So just outline it real quick. Still went too fucking high. What was I saying though? Oh, when I got the motivation to do something, I need to do it right away, because if I don't, it would be over. And y'all just see how my memory was gone. Same thing. If I don't say it right then and there, I will forget. I probably know the reason why, but it's just like, yeah. Someone snapped me. So add me on Snapchat, matter of fact. Instagram. I don't really use Twitter, but y'all can add me on Twitter. Maybe I'll start using it if you guys start following me. Cause I had a Twitter, girl. I had a Twitter, and it got hacked, basically. Wasting battery, and I'm wasting memory that I don't have for real. Cause I got 4 hours and I gotta record all this stuff. I'm gonna have to delete some stuff, but it's okay. What I say? I don't know. But yeah. I like to kind of stop right there. I don't even know why I did that. That was so stupid. I like to stop right there though. And just kind of use like a dagger motion and flick a little bit of hairs. Just like 4-ish flicks. Because, yeah. And then I like to go in and fill in the tail. And then fill in the bottom a little like that. Let me do a quick little skim, make sure it looks good. Oh yeah. My man brought me some pizza. Thank y'all.
Okay, that's yours?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I was on my trip, I had to minimize, you know, the amount of stuff I carry, just because who wants to carry all of that, first of all? And two, you ain't gonna charge me, huh? But I'm just going to darken up my brow a little, just because, matter of fact, no. I'm gonna leave it a little bright, not bright, soft, because I am about to do a dramatic eye. Hopefully, because I don't have a plan, I kind of just, excuse me, like the colors. like I said, I had to minimize the amount of stuff I brung. So I just used the brush of the concealer. Okay. Oh yeah, I did say I was gonna use. I had another slice of PCR.
Another.
I only had one at first. So try not to call me fat, okay? Because for your information, I just lost 20 pounds. Like, don't they just look good? This was the eyebrow routine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's useful for you, give it a thumbs up. You feel like somebody need their eyebrows done or need to learn how to do their eyebrows, you need to send them the link to this video. Excuse me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and comment below what you want to see me do. Also, I know you see the what is it? Is it the description box? Yeah. I know y'all see in the description box that it's some other links in there, so you can just go ahead and click those as well because those are interesting videos. So yeah, my social media is also down below, and stay tuned for the next video.